It's a significantly warmer winter morning and I'm standing outside the Supreme Court of India. The closest CPCB air quality monitoring station at ITO shows the AQI as 282, which is in the poor category. But around me, among these lush green trees, the AQI that our monitor shows is 230, which is in the poor category. Summer's almost here, but the AQI in Delhi is seeing no respite. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court on Monday sought responses from ministries on a proposal to shift all coal-based industries out of Delhi NCR region to improve air quality. The top court asked three ministries, the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, and the Ministry of Power to respond to a suggestion by the Commission of Air Quality Management that no new coal-based thermal power plant should be set up within 300 kilometers of Delhi. These ministries have been asked to submit a joint proposal aimed at phasing out coal-based industries within the NCR. These plants spew particulate matter, sulfur dioxide and toxins that directly impact Delhi's air pollution. This update comes just a few months after an RTI revealed that CPCB has not conducted comprehensive stack emission monitoring at any of the 11 coal-fired thermal power plants within 300 kilometers of Delhi for over a decade. The court also sought responses from all stakeholders on measures suggested by CAQM to address dust from construction and demolition activities. The next hearing is scheduled for March 12th and the issue of vehicular pollution is also expected to be taken up. Till then, stay tuned to News Laundry for all updates and do remember to support our campaign Fight to Breathe or Hawa Ka Haq.